Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. I'm back with a new video about homeopathic aggravation. So friends, why I decided to discuss on that? So many of my students and so many homeopath I see they are struggling to understand about a homeopathic aggravation. So because of that, they are prescribing wrong medications to their patients. So, because of that, there are no genuine cures or they witness the obstacles in recovery of the patient. So, for that reason, I'm discussing this topic with you. So, there are common myths about homeopathic aggravation. So, very common myth is that most of the homeopath thought about that it is a reaction of medicine. So, like allopathic reaction. But friends, this is absolutely a wrong thing. Homeopathic medicine never causes reaction. It is just a mild aggravation. It is very similar like a immune response as we witnessed after vaccination. So there is no any reaction as like a allopathic medicine. But most of the homeopath thought about that it is a very similar reaction that we witnessed into the allopathic medicine. But it is absolutely a wrong thing. So, second important myth is that homeopathic medicine may aggravate the disease conditions very worstly or very severely. So, it is not true again. So, homeopathic aggravation is a very mild raise in the symptoms or it is just an immune response. So, for example, someone is getting fever approximately 99 degree Fahrenheit. So after homeopathic medication, he might get witness only 100. So in the disease aggravation, but unfortunately, if someone is not getting responded to your medicine at that time, he might get worse their disease condition. So he may witness the fever 104, 105 or more than that or some new symptoms too. So this is disease aggravation. So you have to make a clear differentiation between medicinal aggravation and disease aggravation. So in two conditions, what we need to do in homeopathic aggravation that is mild. So you not necessary to do anything or not necessary to prescribe another dose. So there is a speedy or slow amelioration witnessed after few days or few hours, depend upon the case. But in disease condition or disease aggravation, so you have to understand which kind of disease is, which kind of pathology is, so why your medicine not acted on this patient. So you have to reconsider the case or prescribe it accordingly. So these are the common things. And third important aspect about the homeopathic aggravation is it might necessary to antidote. So sometimes we can prescribe the medicine and homeopath thought about that it is a medicinal aggravation and they are prescribing the antidote medicines to that situation. But when it is necessary to antidote the medicine, only in few conditions. So very common thing or common a condition that you have to antidote the medicines only during proving first thing, and after that another situation, that is you have prescribed the medicines correctly but patient have taken this medicine wrongly in a large quantity or unnecessary repetitions at that time, or in rare cases to the idiosyncratic patients you have to antidote the medicine. Otherwise you not necessary to do anything about the your aggravation because it is a good sign. So friends, hope you understood about what I said. So use it in your practice and try to spread that video. Those homeopaths are having this kind of trouble to understand about the homeopathic aggravation. To know more about genuine practical homeopathy, subscribe our channel and get more information about this. Thank you.